Hello, welcome to Makeup on Point, and welcome to another day of movies and Halloween makeup. Now, as I said in the last video, this week is Clown Week, because how can you get away with doing Halloween without doing a creepy killer clown? So today, we are doing Art the Clown from the movie Terrifier. Terrifier has to be one of my favorite Halloween movies. Like, I think it's in my top 10 at this point. It was one of those movies that made me look into a movie, and to find out that the director of the movie and the creator of Art the Clown is actually an SFX makeup artist himself just made me be like, goals. So we're gonna have some fun today. Let's get turned into Art the Clown. We have a really big prosthetic nose to put on. So let's get into it and let's get to that next slide.
Alright y'all, another day, another block to browse. Video will be in the description box below. So this is my extremely big nose that I got off of Etsy, and I was expecting it to be that big, but we're gonna make it work. So I first started off by taking brown eyeshadow and just marking where that nose is gonna be, because since it's so big and I really want it to sit nicely on my face, I'm gonna have to build up some liquid latex and cotton balls in that space to make it sit perfectly on my face. So I'm marking it so when I lay liquid latex, it'll be all inside. There's our liquid latex from Ben Nye and our strips of cotton ball that I pretty much peel apart into tiny strips. And then I start off by starting that liquid latex layer. Now I did a bunch of layers first, so I just laid it down, as you see here, along those markings that I did. I try to use a blow dryer just to make it dry quicker and just add a few more layers on top. I also left some space in the eye area because I did not want to get liquid latex and cotton in my eyes. Now after a couple layers, I'm going to lay that latex down and I'm going to add the cotton ball strips. So you pretty much just lay it in the area, rip apart any like excess cotton that's sticking out, and you're going to pile on that latex right on top of it. Pretty much soak that cotton strip in liquid latex. And I'm using my makeup spatula to pretty much mold the cotton ball into what I need it to be. So what these strips are really doing is creating a platform essentially on my face, so when I lay that nose back down, it has something to hold onto. So I'm just putting on layer after layer and molding it, so when I put the nose, it'll pretty much just blend straight into my skin. And I do this on both sides of my nose. Now I'm just checking to see that the nose will fit just right, has enough. So then I put liquid latex on the back of that nose just so it can adhere better to my skin, and I just place it and kind of push it into that liquid latex area so it can really sink in and like take hold of it. I'm using the blow dryer just so the drying process is a lot quicker, because with these amount of layers and cotton ball on my face, it's gonna take a longer time just to dry. And obviously, whoa, look at that side profile, whoa, obviously I couldn't take myself seriously with this Squidward Terrifier nose, Jesus. And since there was still space in those cotton balls area, so I decided just to continue the process of liquid latex and cotton strips just so it fills that gap between the nose and my face. Now for the top of the nose, I pretty much did the same process, just a lot smaller. For this one, I think I did only 2 layers of the cotton strips, and I did a couple more layers of just the liquid latex and just blended it more up on my forehead just so it has a place to hold and adheres better to my face, so it has better stability. So if I want to move around, it stays in place. Alright, once everything is finally set and dry, just set the liquid latex with powder, get rid of tackiness and shine. At this moment is when I contemplated my whole life with this big nose on my face. Alright, let's paint. So taking this water activated face paint in white, I'm just going to paint that all over my face, neck, and into my hair, because I realized too late in the game of doing this makeup that my costume did not come with the headpiece. So we just gotta paint our whole head, just whole head white. Now I'm setting everything with my super white powder all over. Time to contour. So Art the Clown has very distinguished temples and cheekbone features on his face. I know the actor really has like prosthetics to make his face that way, but for me, I'm just going to contour using just some gray eyeshadow, starting off with a light one and a small eyeshadow brush, and just kind of laying down the shape of his cheekbone area. I also decided to add some forehead wrinkles just for some added detail. Then I decided to take a darker gray eyeshadow and concentrate that more in the center areas of my temple and cheekbone area just to really sink it in. And then I also put that in the inner corners of my eyes as well, just again added shading just because. I also decided to take that gray eyeshadow and just outline all those features around his eyes and his eyebrows, so when I add the black paint later, I have somewhere to follow. So now I'm taking that black face paint and just filling in all those detailed lines that I just made. I also decided to use my black liner pen just to really fill in and just make it as black as I can, since my black face paint was mixing with my white paint that's on my face. So I just kind of, pretty much Sharpied everything on my face. Add in them eyebrows. I took some black eyeshadow and just put it all over my eye just to really set it in place to prevent any creasing. Now I go back in just to fix up any details and pretty much darken, especially those temple and cheekbone areas, and I just progressively take darker and darker gray eyeshadows just to really give it the detail and shading that I want. So I place the color down and then I just pretty much blend everything back. Last but not least, the lips. So I'm taking my eyeliner pen and creating the whole outline that Art the Clown has for his lips, which are rather large and very clown-like. Then I fill the entire thing with black face paint. And I set the whole area with black eyeshadow just so I can make it as black as possible and also keep it very matte. Now I realize Art the Clown has some disgusting teeth, so I'm mixing a black and blood color tooth color, and first you have to dry your teeth off and then you just place the color down. Now once your teeth are all colored in and they're dried up, we are now officially Art the Clown. Go get your costume on!
We are Art the Clown from the movie Terrifier. Now this is, wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed getting terrified with me. I like that. I like how that worked out. If you like this makeup, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when the next video pops up. As always, don't forget to be kind to others, love yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!